Thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto daily, jumping right into the market. Today in crypto, Bitcoin. I want to talk to you about, so this is an idea that I posted previously. And we saw, again, this is a bear pennant. It's supposed to break to the downside. This level didn't get lost until you didn't get more downside and you had this bounce. And so the idea here is there's a decision point that we see quite often in the charts. And those are the most important times to pay attention to what's happening, okay? So, I mean, and Bitcoin is real good about running to the exact end of the triangle and breaking to the downside or upside, right? Just making a move at the end of the triangle. You know, normally triangles break at about 75% full. So I guess the idea now is, what's the new pattern? And you get patterns inside patterns, and you have to wonder, okay, is this printing? Because you didn't really get any. You had this nice move to the upside, which we did real well on trading some altcoins, and you're at a decision point right here based on an idea where if this is a descending triangle, then hey, Bitcoin's running out of room here. And so we're going to go some other time frames, but another even more important idea is support and resistance. And you see that there's been rejection quite a few times. This price level has been, and it's more of a, instead of a line, it's more of a bone, we'll say, where this resistance is right here. So if you take the pattern out of it, right, you're still looking for any bullish ideas. You want to talk about bullish Bitcoin upside, you still got to flip this level. That is the most important thing we're paying attention to right now. Here we are, Bitcoin 2-hour chart. Possible, could this be a head and shoulders forming? Again, it's just a possible. It's not confirmed, but the most important thing is this key level right here where you saw Bitcoin bounce. And this is Bitcoin on Binance, so it's spot chart on Binance, where the most volume is. See this bounce here. So you've had quite a few bounces at this level, and so this is key support. You definitely don't want to lose the support. And so it's like decision time coming, right? And so I'm looking for a move out of Bitcoin over the next 48 hours. Now, break to the downside. I mean, you're opening up shorts as far as altcoins go. You break to the upside, things change. I'm trading. I'm reacting based on what Bitcoin's telling me to do. I'm going to enter longs on a break of this level, and I'm going to enter shorts on a break of this level, just like we did here, and we nailed it. Okay. And so we said plan A. It's always plan A, plan B, right here. And so this was posted on November the 23rd. Plan A, downside break of small dotted wedge. Here you are, downside break, small dotted wedge. Alts took a hit. It's always plan A, plan B. Plan B, bears get trapped, and you could see a move to the range high. That didn't happen. So let Bitcoin tell you. This is Bitcoin CME futures, looks slightly different. But again, you still have to flip the mid-range. You want to talk about a move to range high 18,000, you've got to flip the mid-range first. Otherwise, I mean, this Bitcoin's been just constantly running into this level, getting rejected. Got some amazing shout outs to give to my trading group. This person made 10,000 in a day, can't complain. This person hanging out in Miami for Friendsgiving. Most people celebrated Thanksgiving. He was celebrating Friendsgiving, vacation. He made close to $10,000 in the last 24 hours. And again, he's in Miami. This person, he said, I owe this trip to you. I'm in Istanbul on vacation. Appreciate everything you do. You paid for this vacation 3 times over while he was on the vacation from the things he learned in the trading group. No brainer. Here it is, Black Friday discount. Everybody's been waiting for it. The cheapest membership fees ever to get into the group. The group pays for itself. It's no brainer. $200 off plus 60% off if you pay for 6 months or 12 months in crypto. The biggest savings of the year. We're going to run this through this weekend. Black Friday discount. Jump on it. If you are not making a ton of money in this market or you're losing money, let me help you. I'm going to make sure you're in the best setups, period. Go over to my website, cryptorev.net. Join. If you have any questions about joining, send me an email, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. Banger after banger after banger. We find the setups. Bitcoin halving. So there's 484 days until the next Bitcoin halving. So half the amount of Bitcoin will be produced. What happens if 50% of the gasoline that we use on a daily basis was produced. If they cut the, if OPEC cut the supply by 50%, prices would skyrocket. We're in the right place. Easy supply and demand. Bitcoin is designed to go parabolic over time because of its halving. So understand, don't doubt it for a second. Understand, like, this is very cyclical, right? You don't want to ride the downtrends. You want to hold the uptrends. Diamond, if you want to diamond hand anything, do it on an uptrend. Just understand, like, there's a time and a place for every strategy, but you have to understand where are you at in the market cycle. Right? Accumulation, which is where the whales are just constantly buying, adding to their bags, right? Markup. Have the bull rally, FOMO mania every 4 years we've seen, but you also get these markups, these run-ups where you can make a ton of money in the bear markets. I 3x Neo quit working in a bear market on, I mean, Litecoin 4x'd on the same run-up. Like, you can make a ton of money. These small caps on Kucoin go crazy on any type of Bitcoin upside. And then you just see they're sitting on the sidelines or shorting the downside ideas. This is the ES1, S&P E-mini futures. And a lot of people would say that the Bitcoin broke its correlation with the ES1. And I still don't think it would be good if you see a fall or a pullback out of this. But there's, I mean, big decision point coming. We talked about decision points at the beginning of the video. Very key. You do not want to see this thing just get completely rejected and put in another lower low. I don't think it helps Bitcoin. The DXY, so you see this run up and rejection. This was the ceiling. This was the ceiling. This was the floor. And again, this is kind of a band. So this area right here. DXY bouncing will be bad for stocks, bad potentially for crypto. So, like the content that I produce on a daily basis, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment in the comment box. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.